Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about how to keep your Superhost status now that you've started your Airbnb business. First of all, you need to hit that like button, hit that bell notification button so that you can be notified when I upload more videos like this. How you keep your Superhost status. First of all, you need to make sure your apartment, because we're talking about rental arbitrage, or your home, whichever you're doing, your home or your apartment, you need to make sure that it is in the utmost spectacular, hotel stylish, atmosphere. You need to make sure you have all the things that your clients or your customers need when you are hosting them. One thing that I do always is I have a snack bar. I always have little snacks, and I would also add a little thank you card. Thank you for, deciding to stay with us. I do little things like that. If you are not a designer, and I'm not a designer, but I do like nice things, but you have to know how to find your furniture. You can go on Facebook Marketplace. You can do Offer Up. And I'm going to put some pictures up because a lot of the things that I found on Offer Up. I found on Facebook Marketplace, and I use Wayfair for some of the items as well. But a lot of them, I just, found things that were cheap in price, but they look really nice. You can even go to the Dollar Tree. But believe it or not, some of the dishes I actually got from the Dollar Tree. The towels, not the bath towels, but the kitchen towels, the sponges, the things, the necessities that your clients are going to need while they are staying in your place. Now, you don't want to buy cheap bath towels. You want to make sure you get them some nice ones. And I always do white because those stay nice, and you want to make sure you're cleaning them after every visit. You want to make sure that you're doing a great job cleaning. And if you are using a cleaning company or a cleaning service, or someone's cleaning for you, or you're cleaning for yourself, you want to make sure you look in every nook and cranny and make sure all the hair especially is out of the bathtub. Dry the bathtub nicely, and then just do little designs, just little things. So you'll just see some of the pictures here. And to let you know, I have one Airbnb that's doing very well. And I know some people were having problems, and some people may be having problems, having their Airbnb booked. But I have been truly blessed. I'm going to tell you, one thing I do is I pray and ask God, Lord, book this apartment, book these places, because I don't have the extra money to be paying rent and a mortgage. So I'm going to put up here so far this year, I've made 11. Upcoming, I have another almost $12,000 coming, and that's up to, I believe, October 4th. And so for the year up to October 4th, I have already made on one place $20,653, a little bit over. So I just wanted to, get on here and tell you how you remain to keeping your Superhost status. And the other thing that you need to do is always be very responsive to your guests, and always be proactive. Always make sure, that you're notifying them prior to their visit, once they book, while they're staying, and before they leave, and after they leave. And you always want to ask for a 5-star review. Every single guest, I ask for a 5-star review, and I get that 5-star review almost every single time. So if you want to know how you can start your Airbnb business, I have created a Basics to Brilliance guide for only $27. The link is in the bio or in the description. I will see you in the next one.